Hi guys, my name is Priyansh and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing Caroline Chisholm School, Australia. And in this, here are some blocks are here in which we will discuss our senior years. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing the tuition for your children. So if you need tutor for your children for personal tutor, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. You can take also 1 day demo without any cost. So for this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen 900 936 8238. This is in from India. So put a +91 and then after 900 936 8238. Now, here it is a senior years program in Caroline Shams who caters for students in years 9 and 10. The programs provide a link between the middle years and further study or work. The academic aspects of senior years deals largely with the 10 certificate process. The results that students receive during this time go towards the completion of their certificates. The program is overseen by two executive teachers and team of teachers, both year 9 and have year coordinators who support the well-being of the students in year groups, and they are supported by contact teachers who look after small groups of students. Teachers who are in these roles develop positive relationship and with these students and support them to make their time in CSS successful. And at the end of 10, year of 10, we celebrate the students' achievements and with a graduation ceremony and formal. So here it is a timetable also given for this school for this senior campus. So for Monday, school starts from 9 to 9:05, time block 1 and 2. So almost 30 minutes prayers are there. Then break 1, time 3, block 4, break 2, time block 5, 6, break 3, 7, and 8. And for not similarly, but from Tuesday to Friday, this is different. Only 5 blocks are there, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 breaks are here. So here it is some basic, and here are the some options are also given for the maths and English, science, and etc. etc. So this is the 10 certificates of this year 10. So students in that are awarded year 10 certificates or high school records at the completion of the studies in year 10. The certificates details the courses graduates grades studying in, certificates appeals. Information relating to the certification and appeals process can be found in the year and certificate and the appeal process. Thank you so much. If you need other guidance or another related queries, you can contact on our WhatsApp number or you can also comment on YouTube section. Thank you so much for watching.